click on the Khan Academy app icon. Click on Sign In. If you already have an account with any of the provided options, click on it. If not, click on Sign Up with Email. Provide the details requested in the sign up form. When creating the password, pay attention to the requirements listed. Click on Create. You will receive an email with a verification link to confirm the address provided. Check the account you used to register on the app. Click on Finish Signing Up. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder as it may have been routed there. You are now registered with Khan Academy. Use the menu below to explore the app, to learn its features, and to find courses for yourself. You can learn how to use these apps and more by watching the relevant training videos on the Unity website. Thank you.